Tired of squinting at your Qlik Sense visualizations, struggling to pinpoint the exact value of each data point? This quick tutorial will show you how to display individual data points, making your charts crystal clear and enabling you to spot those important outliers. Let's get started. First, select the visualization you want to modify. I've got a simple bar chart here showing sales by region. Next, navigate to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Look for the Appearance section and expand this section to reveal more options. Now, find the Presentation subsection within Appearance. Click to expand this subsection. Within Presentation, you will find an option labeled Show Data Points, slightly currently toggled off. Simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. And there you have it. Your visualization now displays the exact value above each data point. You can quickly see which region performed best and identify any significant differences. To further customize the appearance of these labels, explore the formatting options within the Appearance Properties panel. Here, you can adjust the number formatting, font size, color, and even the position of the data point labels to perfectly match your dashboard style. This technique works across various chart types, including scatter plots and line charts, making it easy to highlight individual data points in any visualization. Now you can create clearer, more insightful Qlik Sense dashboards. Start showcasing your data points today.